Alright fellas, just come out in the garage here a little bit ago, and first thing I did was fire that fan up. Got to get some air circulating out here because it is hot. Man, it rained last night, rained a little bit this morning. Not only do I have that fan running, I got, daggone, just about fell down there. Got a little bit fan down here on the floor running too to kind of circulate here and here. And it's not too bad if you're right in front of that fan. Let's do a time and temperature check here, fellas. It is about 9:31 in the a.m. and look at this, 81 degrees, 70% humidity. Man, that is hot and wet, isn't it? Well, guys, I wanted to show you a little update here on the 56 Chevy Pro Street. Well, I tell you what, I can't say it enough. This is a rough kit. I mean, nothing fits. Daggone it. You know, when I got to the body, it was it was so rough, and it was twisted. It's got sink marks everywhere, and it just didn't look right. And I wasn't even going to put that chrome on there, but I pulled it back out and sanded it down, got it the best I could. I broke one of the trim pieces on the passenger side, I think it was, up front, and I had to make a new one. It's just so thin, and it was the way it was held on that tree. When you cut it off, it just snapped it. Anyway, I got a coil for this thing, but daggone it, there's not much room down here to put a coil. I may end up putting it here on the fender well. I don't know, maybe. Got my license plate put on. That's that hood scoop off the AMT kit, the 66 Nova Pro Street. Got my wire on my radiator hoses. Did that this morning. These bumpers, I painted those up the same color as the chassis. You know, I'm getting towards the end here, didn't know what I was going to do, and I just ended up throwing some paint on it. This body, the passenger side door is glued on, but the driver's side, I just glued it on this morning, the hinge, and it will function, but it doesn't fit with the hood either. And the hinge for the deck lid on the back here, there's no way. So I just ended up putting a couple tabs right there, and I'll set the deck lid on that, and then it just drops down on this here. That's all I'm going to do with it. But man, I tell you what, this thing, yeah, the old cat's sitting there. I think I need to turn him upside down and turn that smile the other way, because this was a rough kit. I'll tell you what, I'm be so glad to be done with this thing. I don't have too much more. I got my dash in, put a little tack up there. Really can't see a whole lot of in the dash. Let's see if we can get in there. It just not gonna do it, is it? Nope. Anyway, guys, I painted this whole thing, and to me it's semi-gloss black. Didn't put any clear or anything on it because basically I want this thing to be done. I'm kind of over this one. But man, I'll tell you what, this has been one of the worst kits I ever put together. And I don't want any more. You know, I think Atlantis, I think they buy up all the old tooling and they just start pumping them out again, you know, and they're just covered with flash. And of course, this was an old kit anyway, and daggone, the parts are, man, they were rough. Those taillights, daggone. I tried to take some taillights off of a 55 that I've got to see if I could put them on there, and they wouldn't fit. But these things, they don't even fit at all. And that back glass, when I put it in, I've already knocked it out once, if not twice. So I've got to be kind of careful in handling this thing, because it just wants to fall apart. All right, guys, I'm going to kind of end this here because I'm getting kind of hot out here. I need to walk around and stir the air up a little bit. Just want to give a little update on where I'm at. I'm getting close. I'll probably start assembling this. I don't know if I'll do it today or maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure, but I still got to paint the door handles there. I think that's the only chrome I'm going to do on the body. But all right, guys, I'm done.